Today we're bringing to you this beautiful home, plus everything. And guess what? It's for rent. Yes, it's for rent. 17 million cop. This property is 2 levels. Beautiful. 3 bedrooms. Look at this views. I think you guys are really gonna love this. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin, and I'm here to give you the best service. Ample spaces, kitchen, parking, play area. Look at this. Look at the view. It's so close to Medellin, it's not even funny. It's about 20 minutes from Envigado, about 20 minutes from top of Las Palmas, 20 minutes, 25 minutes from El Tesoro. Is everything you need. Look at this. Gorgeous. Yes, check this out. It's perfect. You guys want any more information about this house? Please let me know. I will put my information below so you guys can give me a buzz. This property is rented only a minimum of 1 year, no furniture. So you guys have to come and bring your own stuff inside. Look at all this. Gorgeous. Everything you need and more you have right here. Look at this. Surrounded by nature, close to Medellin. Beautiful. Lots of light, lots of air, lots of spaces to share. Beautiful views. It's everything you want. The price is only 17 million cup. It's unbelievable. That's what, 4,500 bucks, if that, $4,500, if that. Look at this. Second floor, amazing, and another terrace, 3 bedrooms, and it's got now right here. Also has a space for a TV room. Look at that TV room right there. Rooms right there. Another balcony right here with amazing views. All the bedrooms have walk-in closet and washrooms. And look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I think it is. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Now look at the spaces. Small office, big office, and a balcony. What else do you want? I think it's just gorgeous. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Let me know if I can help you with anything here in Medellin. This property is for rent, like I said. And look at the view. It's gorgeous.